it don't take long to get the clean edges in the lawn. That's how you know I care for mine. Keep the blade sharp, trimming on the line, and the sunshine bright, not a cloud in the sky. But if it do, I'll wait until it's dry to cut it again. That's the problem, don't listen, my friend. My dad told me this long ago, so I gotta pay it forward to the ones who don't know. Yo, don't be that guy who don't care how your lawn looking from the outside. I take pride in my work, the proof in the dirt. So let me tell you how it works. It don't take long to get the clean edges in the lawn. That's how you know I care for mine. Keep the blade sharp, trimming on the line, and the sunshine bright, not a cloud.